Hello everyone, it's Charlie and I'm going to be showing you how I use my Get Ready Go-To kit. So first, let's start with the products that are in there. So we have my favorite shade of lip gloss first. This one is in the shade Mirror Mirror. Next, we have the I Wish Shadow Stick in the shade Bubblegum. And last, we have the Perk Up Cheek and Lip Stick in the shade Rosy Wish. So now I'm going to show you how I use all of them. First thing that I'm going to start with is the lip and cheek color. You can see my face is kind of washed out right now. So I actually combined two of them to get the type of blush look I like. So let's pull out the other one. The other one is in the color Pink Me Up and Honey Sweet, but I'm going to show you how I use this one because this one I don't use like the rest of them. So to add just a little bit of definition into my cheeks, it's kind of the perfect color for me to be able to kind of use as almost a bronzer. So I start off with that and kind of blend it out with my big brush. You can see it's like a little bit more defined. And then I use these two colors. This one is a little bit more on the darker side and this one's a little bit more pink. And I just do a swipe of each on each side of my cheeks. And then I blend it out like so. And that just really adds the perfect kind of color for me. And then I just go over it with a beauty sponge just to make sure that it's fully blended out. And it looks quite a bit more rosy. And then I just add a little bit on my nose. Now I'm going to go in with the same color, just a little bit on my finger. And add it to my lips, as well as a little bit of the pinky tone. Because it gives it a natural kind of color, but it's still enough to where you can really see the difference. And then I'm going to use the eyeshadow stick just on my waterline. I feel like it brightens it up, but I love the little pink tones that it gives my eye. And it's okay if it goes under because I just usually blend that out with my finger. So what I do is I usually use the pink on my waterline, but then I use the shade Come True in the eye sticks, and I just put that a little bit under my eye, like so. And it's super easy because then I just blend that out with my finger. Lastly, I actually use this a little bit on my lips just because it's the perfect color, like that. And then top it off with the gloss in the shade Mirror Mirror. And that is how I use all my colors in my to-go kit.